Have you ever wondered if there's a way to keep all the communication with your leads and customers in one place? Just imagine, no matter where a request comes from, let it be live chat, email, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS, you see all of the messages in one place and can reply to them. In Clickfunnels 2.0, it's possible thanks to the feature called MessageHub, and you can learn more about it by clicking on the card up here. And in today's step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can send and reply to SMS in Clickfunnels 2.0. We will also cover how to send SMS follow-ups and how to send an SMS broadcast to your list of contacts. Two things before we get started. If you don't have your Clickfunnels 2.0 account yet, you can find a link to an exclusive 30-day trial in the description of this video. And if you use our link, you will also get our Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. And if you're already using Clickfunnels 2.0, in the description you will find a link to a package deal that will help you save up to 50% on your Clickfunnels 2.0 subscription. And second, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. To be able to send SMS in Clickfunnels 2.0, you will need either a Twilio or Bandwidth account. These are two SMS services supported by Clickfunnels at the moment. I will use Twilio, but the process of connecting Bandwidth to your Clickfunnels 2.0 account is similar. So the first thing that we need to do here is to go to the MessageHub, connect our Twilio account and create an inbox for that. You can find MessageHub in the apps section here. If you don't see the MessageHub section here, you probably have not used it yet in your Clickfunnels 2.0 account, and you can easily add it by clicking on the plus icon and then selecting the MessageHub from the list here. By clicking on the card, you will add it to the dashboard. I already have MessageHub added here, so I click on the name. Then we go to the settings, chat inboxes, click Add Inbox, and here we can select SMS and connect the Twilio account. The setup is quite straightforward, we just need to follow the steps that we see on the screen. First, we select the SMS provider. In my case, it's Twilio. If you're using Bandwidth, select Bandwidth here. Then you need to select the name for the inbox, and after that we will need to copy and paste some information from the Twilio account. You see that we need the phone number, account SID and the token. You can find all that information on the Twilio dashboard. I will copy my phone number and go back to Clickfunnels and paste it, and quickly do the same for the other data. After that, click Create Twilio Channel. After that, we need to select the agents that will be able to work with this inbox. Click Add Agents. And that's all you need to do. The Twilio account is now connected and we have the inbox for SMS. You will see the SMS communication channel on the left here, and you will be able to see all the communication that come via SMS. Now let's test how it works. I will use the phone number that I have in Twilio and send a text message from my phone. We should be able to see that incoming SMS in the MessageHub in Clickfunnels. The message is sent, and you see it appears almost instantly in the inbox in Clickfunnels 2.0. As an agent, I can click on that message and type a reply directly in Clickfunnels 2.0. I send a message from the MessageHub in Clickfunnels 2.0, and it has just arrived on my phone as a text message. You see, it works flawlessly and actually quite fast. Now let's see how to send SMS follow-ups or notifications. Let's say you want to send messages to people who opt in on your funnel. Thanks to the fact that Clickfunnels is an all-in-one platform and you have everything in one place, it's extremely easy to set up. All you would need to do is to create a workflow for that. You can find workflows in the automations, workflows, and then click Add Workflow. I will use an existing workflow. First, we need to set a trigger for this workflow. So which action initiates the workflow? Click Add a Trigger. In our case, it would be opt-in, but as you can see, there are a lot of other actions that you can select. Then you will need to select a funnel and a funnel page. I will not allow contacts without an email. And just to clarify, you will also have to ask for a phone number on this funnel page. Otherwise, Clickfunnels will not have the information where to send the SMS. Then make this trigger active and save the changes. Then we can add the second step in our workflow. Click the plus icon, select Send MessageHub message. In the drop-down, select SMS. Then type your message in this field. I would also select Start New Conversation and click Create Step. And you're not limited by only this one message. You can, for example, add a delay here. Let's say we want to wait for 1 day. And then send another message. The flow is the same. We select SMS, then enter the message and click Create Step. You can also add another action, awaiting response, and in this case, you can wait for a response to a MessageHub message, in our case to the SMS, and after that, perform another action that you need. Once you created all the messages that you want to send, you need to activate this workflow, and you're ready to go. Another way to use SMS in Clickfunnels 2.0 is to send an SMS blast to your contacts. You can also do it in 2 easy steps. The first step is to create a simple workflow. We don't need to set any triggers here, we just need to add an SMS. Send a MessageHub message, then select SMS, enter the message text, and click Create Step. After that, you would go to the contacts, either select all of them, or if you want to filter the contacts by a specific parameter, you can use filters here. Then in the bulk action, select Run Workflow. And what does it do? It will add all the contacts that are selected to the workflow that you have just created, and the message that we have in the workflow will be sent to these contacts. That's how easy you can use SMS in Clickfunnels 2.0, add another communication channel with your leads and customers, and manage everything in one place. If this Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial was helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications to not miss out on future content.